Hey guys, it's Alethea and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making one of my favorite dishes of all time. You're probably going to hear me call everything my favorite dish, but I promise you the dish we're making today is seriously one of my favorites. And we are going to be making Thai red curry. This dish is so amazing because it combines two flavors, savory and sweet at the same time, and it's creamy and just so delicious. And when you combine the curry sauce with fresh vegetables, it's just like out of this world amazing. So if you're excited to see how I make my Thai red curry, then let's get into this recipe. So to move things right along, I already began by cutting up my vegetables. I have sliced red and yellow bell peppers here. I have some bok choy that I'm just going to finely cut up. I cut a carrot. I think I used about 3. I have minced garlic here. A bowl of white sliced onions. Feel free to use whatever onions you prefer. And I have some cut up zucchini. I just cut them into small bite-sized pieces. Now to a preheated skillet, I'm just adding about a tablespoon of coconut oil. If you don't cook with oil, you can use water or vegetable broth, whatever you do. Do what you do. You don't gotta do what I do. So once the oil is heated, we're gonna add in our onions. We're gonna give that a little stir, and then we're gonna go ahead and add in our garlic. I always add in the onions first and let them saute for a few minutes because garlic cooks way faster than onions and you don't want your garlic to burn. So just a little tip to let you guys know why I do it in that order. Once the onions and garlic are nicely sauteed, we're going to add in our Thai chili paste. I purchased this at Walmart. This is definitely vegan friendly. Feel free to make your own if you're into that, but I'm trying to make this recipe as easy as possible. So I'm just adding about 2 tablespoons of this, and then we are going to add some ginger. I don't have fresh ginger, but I do have ginger paste, so that is what I'm using here. If you have fresh ginger, use a fresh ginger. It probably tastes a heck of a lot better. But yeah, I'm just using ginger paste, giving this all a good stir, and then I'm going to add in some coconut milk. I'm using light coconut milk. Full fat coconut milk works just fine. This is just what I had. We're gonna stir that all together, and then I'm adding in my bell peppers and carrots, and we're gonna mix those in, make sure everything is nice and coated. Now, you can add about 2 cans of the coconut milk or add more liquid if you want to. I just like my red curry like this, but if you want to add more liquid, go ahead and do you. All right, after that, I'm adding in some coconut aminos and some maple syrup, stirring that in, just getting some more flavor going on in this delicious curry. We're gonna let that cook for a few minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and add in our zucchini. A zucchini takes a very short amount of time to cook, so definitely save that for the end. We're gonna add that in, give it a good stir, and then we're squeezing in the juice of 1 lime. And then lastly, we're adding in our bok choy because this is the fastest cooking vegetable of them all. So we're gonna add this in, give it a good stir. At this point, you could definitely add in a plant-based protein like tofu or tempeh, totally up to you. But I just wanted to keep this on the lighter side with the veg and just do it like this. But yeah, if you want to add in some tofu chunks or tempeh or whatever plant-based protein you're into, definitely feel free to do that. I already went ahead and made some jasmine rice, so I'm just gonna serve this up on the side with the rice. And yeah, you guys, so quick, so easy. This recipe is definitely like a nice 10-minute in and out, delicious, amazing recipe that makes you feel like you went to a restaurant, but really and truly you made it in your house. So definitely give this a try. If you're interested in seeing how I make a Thai green curry, let me know. It's very similar, but I'm down for showing that. If you would like to see, I'll let your girl know. Holla at me in the comments. If you guys enjoyed the video and it inspired you to get in your kitchen and make something fun, new, and exciting, as always, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you never miss a video from me. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!